The Palm Beach Civic Association brings you Palm Beach TV, the island's only newscast. We're sponsored by the Fortin Foundation of Florida. Our mission is to inform town residents about the unique challenges of island life and to highlight the actions and achievements of our leaders and the dynamic people who live here. Now the news.
Welcome to Palm Beach TV. I'm Wendy Rutledge. We have a scientific powerhouse right here in South Florida, UF Scripps Biomedical Research. Recently, UF Scripps gave a very informative presentation to the directors of the Palm Beach Civic Association, and we got a private tour.
Civic Association directors are the bedrock of our organization, and we are grateful to all of you.
In our 79th season, the Palm Beach Civic Association brought together our directors for the annual Directors Luncheon. This mid-November gathering gave many a chance to reunite with their Palm Beach friends and to learn about the fascinating work going on at UF Scripps Biomedical Research in Jupiter, the sponsor of the luncheon event. The recent addition of Scripps to the University of Florida's leading-edge medical and research facilities means seed ideas for drugs can go from concept to testing much faster.
As Scripps alone, we excelled in basic research, drug discovery, translational science, but we did not have the ability to translate those into the clinic. UF brings world-class clinical trial operations to not only in Gainesville, but now to our campus.
Neuroscientist Dr. Courtney Miller provided just one of many examples of how their research is leading to much-needed drugs. In this case, a treatment for the brain cancer called glioblastoma.
After 85 days of treatment, 40% of the animals were still alive. They were taken off drug and allowed to survive for another 15 days. They all survived, and the histopathology showed that those animals had no sign of tumor at all.
To get a closer look at the marvels of scientific research underway at UF Scripps, we take you now inside the facility for a private tour.
The spire represents the double helix of DNA. It also symbolizes our aspirations.
UF Scripps describes its aspiration in these terms: we pursue novel treatments for a world of unmet medical needs. Now, with the recent $100 million gift from the Dr. Herbert and Nicole Wertheim Family Foundation, those aspirations may be all the more attainable.
It is a legacy gift that I think will really seed future biomedical research here in Jupiter.
The $100 million gift is the largest from an individual donor to the University of Florida in its history, another added benefit of the move by Scripps to join forces with UF in April of 2022. The collaboration of Scripps and UF brings a wealth of resources to the research facility that enables highly conceptual research to move more quickly into a clinical setting for testing.
If a laboratory here is developing a molecule for treatment of a particular type of cancer, there's a cancer center in Gainesville with clinician scientists and they have a whole program for designing clinical trials and initiating those clinical trials and recruiting patients. So they have the whole infrastructure there.
As opposed to pharmaceutical companies, whose research is often targeted toward the development of widely used drugs for common diseases, UF Scripps studies areas where there is less commercial focus, like neuroscientist Dr. Courtney Miller's game-changing discovery targeting parts of the brain that relate to addiction and PTSD.
We can inhibit a particular protein there just once, and associations for stimulants like methamphetamine seem to just go away without affecting other memories. It's important because right now there are no FDA-approved treatments for stimulant use disorder. So that would be things like cocaine and methamphetamine. A lot of focus on opioids, but really nothing for stimulants at this point.
A fascinating, stimulating environment for second-year grad student Christina Davis, who is one of the 85 doctoral students in the on-site Skaggs Graduate School of Chemical and Biological Sciences program.
We have a ton of expertise in a variety of fields with really professors that are at the brink of innovation in their fields. So we are very collaborative between all of the departments and with the professors. So we're really fortunate, and it's really valuable to be able to work so collaboratively within the Institute.
Advanced technology like this ultra-high throughput robot, which automates and accelerates the screening of hundreds of thousands of drug-like molecules, puts UF Scripps in the fast lane for scientific discovery.
I set a world's record screening 30,000 wells in a month. We do 30,000 wells in about a half an hour.
UF Scripps, a world-class biomedical research facility right in our own backyard. Thank you for watching Palm Beach TV, and catch us on our website or follow us on social media. We'll see you next time right here on Palm Beach TV, a production of the Palm Beach Civic Association.
Palm Beach TV is a production of the Palm Beach Civic Association. We thank our sponsor, the Fortin Foundation of Florida, and encourage you, our viewers, to let us know how we can provide news coverage that best serves our members and residents.